Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this mouth for applique. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make one chain crochet stitch. Okay. Now in that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. In that one chain crochet stitch itself, we will make 5 double crochet stitches. After we are done with 5 double crochet stitches, at last we will make a chain crochet and turn a crochet work. Then we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Remember, 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Now again at last, just make a chain crochet and turn your work. Now we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. So our pink part is ready. Using exactly same pattern, we are going to make one more in maroon color. Only difference will be, in starting, instead of 5 double crochet stitches, we will make 6 double crochet stitches, and so accordingly changes happen. Okay. Now when we are done with our second row, we make 2 chain crochet stitches and we turn our work. Okay. Then in first stitch row we will make a double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Okay, 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch, and when we reach the last stitch we will make 2 chain crochet stitches and we will join the last stitch with the slip stitch, and our work is complete. Now take a black yarn and make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet stitch. There we go. After that, make 2 chain crochet stitches and join the last stitch with the first double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. Then again make 2 chain crochet stitches. See, 2 or 3 it can vary depending on your thread. Okay, then join last stitch with the second row first double crochet stitch. Again make 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the last stitch of third row. First stitch of third row. Then make a chain crochet stitch, and now we start making one slip stitch in each single stitch in the above row. Only whenever we get those 3 points, whenever we reach those points, there we have to make one extra chain crochet stitch. So those point looks more like pointed. Okay, or rest of the stitches we are making just one slip stitch in each single stitch. See. And make all stitches in back loop. Actually we are making all stitches right from starting in back loop, so just don't forget that. Okay, now see, again we are on the third point. So here I make one slip stitch, I'll make a extra chain crochet stitch, and I will join it again with slip stitch. Now see, I make 2 chain crochet stitches, join it with the last stitch of third row. Then again 2 chain crochet stitches, join it with last stitch of second row. There we go. Again 2 chain crochet stitches and join it with the first chain crochet stitch we made from where we started everything. Yeah, there. And our maroon part is complete. Just cut the yarn now. We are done. Okay. This is how a crochet mouth look like. So this mouth could be used on various applique wherever you want to show a happy face or like laughing face and all. So this could be used. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, and already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. You can find crochet tutorial video for various appliques, then curtain tie backs and keychain, and many things are there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.